Hello. So this would be a straight away yes or no kind of reading. Okay. You need to think about one question. I'll give you the answers whether the universe is letting you know your answers as yes or no. Whether universe is giving you a green signal or not. Okay. Or there can be a possibility that universe is asking you to wait for some time. Okay. You can think about any question, literally. Okay, it can be regarding your career, it can be regarding your finances, love life, relationship, anything. I'll go from Aries to Pisces. Okay, so Aries, see, I'll be giving you just few seconds. You can pause this video, just think about your question, Aries. Let me see what is your answer from the universe. Okay, Aries, let me see what is your answer from the universe, Aries. Think about your question. You don't need to hurry, you can pause the video, okay? Aries, your answer from the universe. See, whatever you have desired will not be so easy to manifest as per universe. It's like mixing oil and water. See, the process or the way out that you're using to manifest it in your life, that there can be a possibility that वो रास्ता आपका गलत है. This is, आप जिस रास्ते पे हो, the way you are approaching that manifestation of yours may not come true in that particular. You need to change your ways. Then only it's possible. Aries, God bless you. See, now I'll come to Taurus. Taurus, think about a question in your mind. Taurus, let me see what the universe has to tell you. Whether the universe is giving you a green signal or not. Okay? You can think about any one question. Taurus, let me see your answer from the universe. And your answer is absolutely yes. Clearing the air and refreshing changes. Whatever you're thinking about, whatever you have asked for, that is actually you're going in the right direction, because the way you would have planned anything, or if you are keeping patience for those things, it will definitely come true because you are on the right path to manifest it. Okay? All the very best, Taurus. Let me see for Gemini. Geminis, think about a question. No need to hurry, as I said. Think about it. You can pause the video and then you can see your answer. Okay, let me see what the universe has to tell you. Geminis, regarding your question, which is there in your mind regarding any aspect of your life, Geminis. And your answer is absolutely yes from the universe. All the very best. Universe is clearly letting you know that whatever is there in your mind, that will bring a 360-degree changes in your life. For sure. All the very best, Geminis. Let me see for Cancerians. Cancerians, please think about a question in your mind. It can be regarding any aspect of your life. I'll give you a straight away yes or no answers from the universe. Okay, Cancerians. So what is the answer from the universe for Cancerians? Absolutely yes. I'm so glad to see it. Universe is clearly telling you flow with the current and the natural process. It means that the divine timing is at play for you, Cancerians. No need to hurry. Just sit back, relax. That is going to manifest, because there are chances that whatever plans you are making or whatever is there in your mind, it's actually working out. Because most of the time what happens, if you keep on thinking about the similar thing again and again or multiple times in a day, it starts manifesting in your life. Okay, Cancerians, all the very best. Fine. Let me see for Leos. Leos, think about one question in your mind. Leos, one question in your mind, Leos, regarding any aspect of your life. Let me see what the universe has to tell you. You can pause this video to think about the question if you do not have any question right now at present. Okay? Let me see what is the answer from the universe for Leos. Absolutely yes. Universe is telling you that it feels right. It's whatever is there in your mind. If you're making any plans, that is a good idea. And if it's aligned with your values, okay, hopefully it is, okay, it will definitely manifest for you. This is a blessing from the universe for you, Leos. God bless you. Let me see for Virgos. Virgos. Think about the question. It can be regarding any aspect of your life, as I have told at the beginning of this video. If you do not have any question right now, you can pause the video and you can think about it. It can be anything. Let me see what is the answer from the universe for Virgos. Yes. Open to suggestions, front and center, steady. See, universe is clearly asking you to, although see, being assertive is okay, but you need to seek some suggestions also from people around you. Cancerians. Sorry. Why am I telling about Cancerians? No, it's not about Cancerians. It's about Virgos. I'm so sorry. Virgos, please. You need to seek some suggestions from people around you. Okay? Fine. All the very best. It will definitely manifest for you, Virgos. Okay? You're on the right track. Now let me see for Libras. Libras, think about one particular question and let me see what the universe has to tell you about your answer. Yes or no. Libras, think about one question in your mind and your answer from the universe is, oh my God, this is absolutely yes. Universe is clearly telling you that, see, Libras, whatever plans you're making, hopefully it's not harming anybody else. It is actually aligned with your values. If it's aligned with your values, that will definitely manifest in your life. All the very best, Libras. God bless you. Let me see for Scorpios. Scorpio, think about one particular question and let me see what the universe has to tell you. Scorpios, I'll answer you in yes or no. Please think about the question. You can pause this video and you can think about it. Any aspect of your life. Let me see, will it manifest in your life in reality, Scorpios? See, universe is telling you ki yes. There is a possibility that it may manifest in your life, but the problem is this ki, whatever you are thinking at present, you may change the path after some time by your own. Right now, you might be thinking ki this is it. I want this particular thing or this particular person or this particular profession. But universe is telling you ki okay, that has to. We are going to make it happen for you. But it's your free will choices, because there are two possibilities. Either once the time comes for it to get manifested in your life, you may have two options. Okay, that will then further it will depend absolutely on your free will choice, whether you want to choose this particular manifestation or something else. Overall, your answer is yes. Okay, Scorpios, God bless you. Now let me see for Sag. Sag, think about one particular question in your mind, Sag. Let me see what the universe has to tell you. Sagittarius, just a minute, Sag. Let me see what the universe has to tell you. Sagittarius, you can ask regarding any aspect of your life. Let me see the answers from the universe. See, this is somehow similar to the Scorpios. I told the answer is almost the same. See, Sag, whatever you're manifesting at present, universe is telling you there are high chances. It's not high chances even there. This is a guarantee from the universe that they will give it to you. That has to. Okay. It may manifest. It will manifest in your life. But the time when it gets manifested, you may have two options. Okay, two different options, and there you will feel very stuck. For example, Sag, you are thinking about any particular person in your life, or if it's about any particular career path, okay, you may change the direction. Universe is clearly telling you कि तुम्हें जो चाहिए universe will give you. Okay, now then, but universe is very much sure कि you may change the path. This is it, Sag. God bless you. Let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, think about one question in your mind and let me see what is the answer from the universe. It can be regarding any aspect of your life, any aspect, career, love life, anything. You can pause the video and think about the question. Okay, Capricorns, let me see. Oh my God, is my mic on? Thank God, it's on. Capricorns. So your answer from the universe is, you need to grind your gears. You need to work hard on it. See, universe is telling you, universe is not denying it, but the universe is telling you that you are not fully prepared for it yet. If the universe has given you some signals means if you are working in the same direction, you need to work a little bit more, okay? Then it will get manifested in your life. All the very best, Capricorn. This is your answer, okay? No, it means not now or not in the near future. You need to work on it, okay, Capricorns? Now let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, my lovely Aquarius. Think about a question in your mind, Aquarius. Let me see what the universe has to tell you. Aquarius, your answer from the universe. Your answer from the universe is no, absolutely not at present. Because, for example, you are thinking about having somebody or manifesting anything materialistic or any profession, but universe is telling you that you are not fully prepared for it. You might be feeling it कि नहीं आप prepared हो, but universe is asking you to take your time and think about it. हो सकता है कि you may change your mind very soon, for which you are asking, okay? And ऐसा होता है ना कि वो चीजें जब in reality बाद में जाके manifest होंगी आपके life में, then you will just look back and you'll realize कि अच्छा हुआ उस वक्त नहीं ये चीजें manifest हुई. Are you getting my point? You must be getting my point. Means universe is telling you it will happen in its own divine timing. Perhaps you're trying to rush the things. No, it's not going to happen that way. Universe is working in your favor. No worries. It will manifest, but you need to be determined. There are chances that few of you, not everybody, few of you are into two minds regarding the same. Whatever you have asked, keep it in mind. Aquarius, God bless you. Okay? Universe has your back. No worries. Finally, for Pisces. Pisces, think about a question in your mind. It can be regarding any aspect of your life, any aspect. Okay. It can be regarding love life, relationship, career, finances, your neighbors, your pet, anybody. Okay. Your health. If you don't have any question, you can pause the video, you can think about it. Let me see what is your answer from the universe, Pisces, my fishes. My lovely fishes. And your answer is, universe is asking you to rethink your direction. This isn't your path. This may not be your path as per you. Universe is telling you that right now you might be feeling as if this is the thing that you really want in your life, but you are mistaken. Soon after some time you feel like no, I want it, but not this way, that way. And thank God that universe has not manifested it yet in my life. I was not prepared at all. Even if suppose this is just an example to make you understand. For example, if you're manifesting somebody in particular in your life and he really comes to you and everything is okay. Very soon there can be some incidents or something where you feel like, oh my God, this is not the right time. I would have prepared for something. I would have prepared myself for this connection. If it's regarding your profession, then you may feel like, oh, I would have learned this particular skill also. तब मैं ज़्यादा prepared होती. टू, बिकॉज मैनिफेस्टेशन का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि वो चीजें आपको मिल गई. मैनिफेस्टेशन का मतलब होता है टू रिटेन इट इन योर लाइफ राइट नाउ. This is not the right time, Pisces. God bless you. Don't overthink anything. Everything is fine. Universe is working in your favor. All the very best to all the zodiacs. Radhe Radhe.